CashBook, cash accounting app for small businesses. Meet Ravish. He works at Karla Garments, a shop which sells school dresses. Earlier, he used to waste more than an hour every day trying to reconcile cash on pen and paper. This was prone to error and resulted in loss of cash. Now he uses CashBook app to record income and expense. He quickly adds item sale as cash in and store running expense as cash out. At the end of the day, he generates PDF of daily sales and cash balance and sends it to his owner Raman on WhatsApp. Sharing data can be a hassle, so now we have a better solution. A shared book where multiple members can add entries simultaneously. Like Ravish, we have 2 more managers running different shops for Raman. Raman has shared a book with each of his shop managers and gets real-time update through notification on cash flow of his shops. CashBook has helped Ravish and his team save time, effort and money. Like Ravish, there are 70 million other small business owners in India whose daily cash accounting hassles can be solved by a one-stop, easy-to-use solution, CashBook app.